Welcome to our YouTube channel The Construction Point. Today is our topic about Civil Engineers Job Interview Question and Answers. Dear engineers, please watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video. After watching complete video you guys will be able to qualify the interview for any site civil engineer position for building works. If you have any doubt of any question, please go to comments section and feel free to ask the questions.
Okay, now let's begin the interview. Question number 1. Introduce yourself please. You have to simply say, my name is John, I have done my graduation last year or this year from University of blah blah. You have to mention your university name, and if you have any previous experience you can say something about your past experience as well. Guys, sometime people asking that why they always ask introduction question in the interview, though they have called them for interview after going through their CVs. So actually the interviewer is judging the body language and confidence of the candidate. This is main reason behind this question. Dear engineers, you have to answer all the question with confidence. If you do not know the answer of any question, so do not keep quiet, just simply say sorry I don't know. Now coming to question number 2. What are the responsibilities of a site civil engineer? So you have to say that site engineer is responsible for overall activities of site execution. Then he may ask you to explain, so you have to say that arranging skilled and unskilled labor and assigning them different tasks on daily basis. Further, you have explained that arrangement and quantification of material required on daily basis is one of the important job of a site engineer. Also record keeping of all the drawings such as structural, architectural, and MEP drawings. Now fresh graduate may do not know about the term MEP drawings. MEP drawings stands for mechanical, electrical and plumbing drawings. Question number 3. What you will check before casting a foundation of a building. So in foundation you will check the thickness of raft foundation or footing, the diameter of steel bar, spacing between bars also overlapping, or lap length of steel bar if it is given in the structural drawings. Apart from this you have to check the concrete cover at the bottom of steel bar and also on the side along with formwork. Concrete cover is varying for each structural member, but you have to check as per the drawings. You have also to make sure the required compaction test of foundation has done and required compaction has been achieved. You have to keep the test report copy on site and present the report in case of authority inspection. Especially in Dubai, UAE, you have to keep all the drawings, building permits and block reports because the Dubai municipality inspector always check this file. Similarly, every country has the same requirement for maintaining the record at site office and main office as well for the audit purposes. Question number 4. What you have to check the in-footing foundation. The first thing you need to check that anti-termite spray has been done by an approved contractor and guarantee certificate has been received. The second thing you need to make sure that the polythene sheet has been used or not. If used, so make sure that it is as per the approved drawings. In general practice 1000 gauge is used. You have to check the size of footing, bottom bar and top bar. In case of double mesh footing, you will have to check the size of chair for second layer of steel bar, the diameter of top and bottom bar, spacing between the bars. The most important thing, you have to check the center line between two columns. In case you have done this mistake and columns position are not in place as per the approved drawing, so you can only rectify it before the concreting. Otherwise after concreting you notice the misplacement of the columns, so you to have demolish the concrete and do recasting after the rectification of the columns position. So you have to make sure before concreting all the dimension, size of footing and columns and center to center distance between all the columns. Question number 5. What type of concrete is recommended for foundation? The second most important question, you should know that the type of concrete you order for casting of footing or raft foundation is SRC concrete. SRC means sulfate resistant concrete, and keep in mind that for all structure below the ground level you have to use SRC concrete because it's resistant against the sulfate and keep the steel safe against corrosion. Now if the interviewer asked you about the grade of SRC concrete, so you have to answer that it depends the nature of structure and recommended design mix of concrete from the designer. You have to follow always the recommended design mix concrete, which is always mentioned in structure drawings. After casting the foundation you have to remove the farm work next day and instruct the mason to repair immediately wherever you find the honeycombing. After surface preparation of foundation you have to use the approved bituminous coating as per the drawings, 1 or 2 coats. It's always given in the drawings. After this stage you have to cast the neck columns and tie beam and check all the steel work as I have mentioned in the question number 3 and 4. When you have finished the casting of neck columns and tie beams you have to backfill the foundation in layers of 150 mm to 200 mm thick, and do proper compaction and to carry out the test to achieve the required density of compaction, in other words to achieve the percentage of compaction. Guys, in the next video I will explain the further procedure of grid slab, columns and stairs casting. Also I will explain the plumbing work in the coming video, so stay tuned and subscribe the channel for such videos. After this video, a series of videos for different civil engineer position from junior to senior level work interview session are coming soon, so subscribe the channel and press the bell for notification of new videos.